Good morning, boys and girls. We are looking at a sight word today. This word has been in your packets ever since you got your second set of words. This is that tricky word where we have the TH at the beginning, so we stick our tongue out. The word is the. All right, if you were here at school, we have those dabbers, kind of like a great big marker, that we would be using to find the word. But since you are at home, we can use crayons. It will work the same way. So every time that you see the word the, you are going to color in that circle. So right here I see the word the, T-H-E. I'm going to color in the. Oh, that's a C. I don't want that one. There's the. Color it in again. And it's up to you. You can use the same crayon for each word, or if you want to make it like a rainbow, you can switch every time. A. I don't want that. There's the. T-H-E. Color it in. So you are going to do that for every single dot. All right, every time you see the word the, you're going to color it in. Let me quickly count to see how many times you're going to need to color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I think you're going to find it about 25 times. That is a lot, so make sure you are being a good word detective and looking for it. The, T-H-E. Down here, they have written the word the. Now right here they've done it kind of, I don't like that T. I'll just tell you. I like it like this, straight line down and then cross it in the middle. But here they did that fancy T that you might see on a computer. So they want you to write the word the 3 times. I'm just going to write it the regular way, straight line down, cross it in the middle. T-H-E. Oh, there went my lights. T-H-E. T-H-E. Write it 3 times, and then they have some sentences for you to read with the word the. And you're going to match it with a picture. The bird is blue. I'm going to draw a line from that sentence to the bird. The chick is yellow. There's the chick. The fish is red. There's the fish. So you're going to need to make your fish red, your chick yellow, and your bird blue. All right, boys and girls, so you have a lot of work to do on this page. Color in everywhere you see the word the. Write the word the 3 times. Match your sentence with your picture. All right, let me know if you have any questions, boys and girls. Keep working hard. I'm so proud of you.